Hi, I'm getting ready for the Creating with Jovi design team project, and I wanted to show you these papers. I'm going to be creating a journal, but not only Jovi's, but what I've put on the back of these. So take a look, and then look on the back, the script. Beautiful. And on the back, this is Welch. Okay, and this is like an 1846 book, as you could see by the signature there. And I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with some of these. Now, these I did not shrink to fit. I got these two books from a friend of mine, Big Mama, and I scanned these pages in. This is the first page of the book. I scanned the ones in that had writing on it, or that were blank. The not title pages, not face pages. I will think what it's called. Anyway, so this one didn't fit on this page. Now, I saved them as a JPEG, and I may stretch these out in the future. But anyway, I thought with this beautiful Celtic Fantasy kit that Creating with Jovi made. Look at this dragon. I love dragons. Have since I was very young. But anyway, that these Celtic pages were just perfect. So it gives you writing pages, but it also has that beautiful script on it. And here's the dragon again with the girl. So just beautiful. And then these pages, these card pages, I printed twice. Once on paper and once on cardstock with nothing on the back. So they're ready to be used either to decorate or as journaling cards, however I see fit. This is not cardstock. It's kind of a textured paper that's a little bit heavier. So these should be the same ones. Anyway, this is what I'm working on in March. I'll be making this beautiful kit, and I hope you come back and join me and see what I do with it. Thank you. Dorothy Kilty at Raccoon Alley Creations.